evening, guys. I would want to talk briefly on how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Before I go on, let's get to my Canva dashboard. I'll load it fresh so that it won't look as if you guys will get stuck in between. Now, when you come here to your Canva workspace, you click on create a design, then you can just write on this search bar YouTube thumbnail. Now it has an automatic dimension that was given in pixels. Now, and Canva has its own unique features in which they give you a dimension of what you need to work with. And if you can see, there are various types of thumbnails here placed. It now is your wish or your decision on which one to choose. Now, having looked at all options available, I might decide to take this one, create thumbnail for free. Now, I might just decide to tweak this one a little bit. My network is a little bit slow. We're not going to dwell on that. Let me add another page and let me see if there's another one that would catch my attention. A thumbnail, it's something it's really catchy. That's the first thing people see when they come to your YouTube channel. See, this one is also good. How to make thumbnail in 6 steps. But this one I'm going to tweak it a little bit and see what happens. Let's see. We'll change a few words here and we'll take, instead of saying steps, we can just decide to say step by step. Step by step. How to make thumbnail step by step. Okay, let me do it this way. Step by step. In place of his name, the original author, I'll just decide to put my name here. Okay. Can see, in place of this image, I'll just come here, go to upload. I have one image here that I've already uploaded before. Let's wait for the network to load up so that I can actually change this image to my image. As you can see, here we go. I'm done with this exercise. As you can see, we have actually owned this design. successfully created a thumbnail for our YouTube channel. All we need to do now is to get this one out a bit so that everything will be fine and stand out. So we just come here to share, download. Now you take the format you're actually wanting to download. Now come here and take page 2. Take this one out so that I'll download just one page out of this instead of downloading the 2. Now I'll take this download, having selected JPEG, so it goes straight into our computer. I've successfully created our thumbnail. Having downloaded, let's view what we have done. You see now, see what we got now. This is how you can create your YouTube thumbnail using Canva.